Are we doing a video?
You know,
Yeah.
Like I'm saying? Alright. Cut. Let's start from scratch.
This is my wife. First time meeting the office crew. Then we have Christy. What's his name?
Miles.
With Miles. And then we have
Baby boy.
Kayla. And then we have Michelle. Then we have May. Then we have Adria.
I was trying to be seductress.
Sean. Barbara.
Hi there.
Angelo.
And
Lisa. George. What's your name again? Steven.
Thanks for reminding me.
Antoine.
right here.
He's always missing.
If you've seen the other videos, I'm right here.
Okay. Caitlin.
Now, so
Jason.
a couple of us went to
Maria. Joe. Jonathan. That's all you have to do. Jonathan. That's right. This is the whole crew. We're having brunch.
it's right there.